你这个到时候还要不要贴了？这个就这样子给客户了是吧 ？OK 吧，就这样吧。
你们回去自己贴上了。
没有，我都打包了，回去不拆了。
回去不拆了啊。
那你这个要不要打荷叶的呀？非常容易。
OK，
要打荷叶吗
？Now let's introduce the ultrasonic wire splicing machine. This is generator. This is we call head. This reset button. Count. This is reset counter. Count here. This is welding mode and change the mode. This is test mode. Test mode when we press the foot pedal. It will not. The head will goes down. The head will go down, but it will not output the power. Okay. Now we need to press reset to reset the head. Okay. This is frequency scanning. Every time when we powered on, we need to press this frequency scanning. Or after we change the ultrasonic, we need to press the frequency scanning. And this is set the parameter. Parameter we can see delay time, welding time, cooling time, shake time, and amplitude. Amplitude is for the welding power. This is for welding power. Amplitude. And the welding time for welding power. The delay time. Delay time is for. Delay time means when we start the foot pedal, because the head will use some time. This time means after we put the foot pedal to output the frequency. This is sonic test, ultrasonic test. Confirm. When we press test, we can hear some voices, and we can see if it shows like this, means ultrasonic is okay.